Hello, I'm attorney Mark Davis. I'm with Davis & Crump Law Firm. At trial, clients often ask, what is an expert witness? Lawyers and judges many times spend quite a bit of time arguing about whether or not the testimony of someone can be called as an expert and whether or not that testimony is admissible. An expert witness generally is anyone who has greater knowledge than the normal public that rises to the level to where they should be allowed to give an opinion about something. In the typical courtroom, anyone can testify about facts, what they saw or what they heard, but you can't give an opinion about something. What you think might have happened, or what you think you might have saw, or what you may have heard. To give an opinion, you have to be an expert. The typical expert you see in all personal injury cases is a medical doctor. Obviously, a medical doctor is going to be an expert, and in most cases can testify fully about his treatment of you and of your injury. However, in many cases, experts are retained by your lawyers to testify about possibly your damages. It might be your medical condition, yet he's not an actual treating physician. It could be an economist who could talk about your lost wages. It could be a vocational rehabilitation expert who might talk about your ability or inability to return to work. It could be liability experts like an accident reconstruction expert. If it's a pharmaceutical or medical device case, it may be an expert on FDA regulation. In each of these experts, in each of these cases, typically, each side challenges the other side's expert, both that the person is qualified to testify, and then assuming that he is or her qualified to testify, whether or not certain opinions are admissible. This gatekeeping responsibility that the judge has on allowing certain expert testimony to be entered into evidence and not allowing other expert testimony to be entered into evidence is what they call a Daubert challenge. Daubert is a famous case that was decided by the U.S. Supreme Court many years ago that basically said that the judge in your particular case is the gatekeeper, and he or she alone has the responsibility to decide whether someone is qualified to testify as an expert and whether all or some of their opinions are admissible or not admissible. So that's a brief summary about what is an expert witness. And next time you hear lawyers either on TV or maybe in your own case testifying about or arguing about why someone is or is not an expert, you'll have a little better understanding of what that's all about. If you have any type of personal injury case and you need an attorney, feel free to give us a call. Our toll-free number is on the screen, or you can email us at info@daviscrump.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and I know we can help.
Legal Briefs was brought to you by Davis & Crump. Fighting for you is what we do.